It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
While marijuana is legal in Missouri, that's not the case in Kansas. So to help us understand the law, today we are joined by attorney Robert Gigstad. Good morning, Robert. How's it going?
Good morning. Good.
So, Robert, what happens if you're caught with possession of marijuana in Kansas?
So, unfortunately, Kansas is still a little bit behind the times. First thing you need to do, take a deep breath. It's a stressful situation, but you can call an attorney and we can help people out with things like this.
What if you bought the marijuana in a state that's legal, like Missouri, and you're in Kansas and you're caught with it?
So we get this question all the time with legalization in Missouri, and marijuana's been legal in Colorado. Kansas is now almost surrounded by states that have legal marijuana. And people think that if you buy it legally in one state, you can take it to another. That's not the case. Unfortunately, Kansas is still a little bit behind the times in that sense, and it is still illegal. So you could be charged with misdemeanor for possession of marijuana, or if you have a larger amount and they think you're intending to distribute that, it could be a felony charge.
So does it automatically mean jail time?
No, as I said, for a first-time offense for personal use, they're going to charge it as a misdemeanor. That carries up to 6 months in jail, but that's not common. Oftentimes for our clients, we're able to avoid jail time, and usually we're able to keep it off their criminal record as well if it's a first-time offense.
Okay, so I was going to ask you that. What about the criminal record?
Yeah, so people are concerned about that for if you're looking for a new job, you're applying for loans, you're trying to go to school. A criminal record can really hold you back. So while it's legal in these other states, still being illegal in Kansas, we want to keep it off their criminal record. If you were found guilty of a misdemeanor, then yes, that would go on your criminal record.
Okay, and let's talk about DUIs. Can you get a DUI for marijuana?
You can. This is a question I get a lot lately. People say, I bought this, it's legal in Colorado, it's legal in Missouri, I'm smoking it, I'm fine to drive. Well, the police have a different idea. You can still be impaired from marijuana, and they will definitely still charge you with a DUI. And the same can be said for prescription drugs. People will say, hey, I got this prescription for these pain pills from my doctor. It's fine, I have a prescription. Well, if you read the fine print on the bottle, you're not supposed to operate heavy machinery. And if police think you're impaired and they find out about that, they will charge you with a DUI.
Okay, well, if people want to learn more about any of this information, how can they do that?
Yeah, they can give us a call or visit our website.
Okay, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Gigstad Law. For more information, visit gigstadlaw.com.